Morning one and all present here. Today's assembly is being conducted by class 2nd C with the theme self-study. Let's start our day by offering prayer to that Supreme Lord. Join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head. Today we'll be singing Teri Zamin prayer. O God, please to enlighten our morning, I would like to call Shafika to deliver thought of the day. Word of the day. Now I would like to invite Om and Aradhana to make us aware of today's news headlines. Now I would like to invite my classmates to present a short skit on self-study. Today is our friend's birthday. Let's celebrate. Assembly strength is assembly attention. Assembly strength is assembly attention. Get ready for the national anthem. Assembly strength is assembly attention.